Industrial control panels have evolved far beyond simply running machines. While safety, proper wiring, and reliable operation remain essential, modern manufacturing now depends on how effectively control systems connect and collect data. Today's operations require real-time insight, knowing what's running, what's drifting, and what may fail next. That level of awareness is only possible when connectivity and data acquisition are intentionally designed into the control system. Connectivity allows devices inside a panel, PLCs, HMIs, drives, and intelligent field devices, to communicate reliably. Ethernet switches form the local network that lets these components exchange data quickly, while routers act as gateways that connect machine networks to broader plant systems or external platforms. When designed properly, these networks enable better diagnostics, faster troubleshooting, and safer data flow without exposing critical control systems unnecessarily. Beyond the plant floor, connectivity can extend through cellular communication. By pairing a router with a USB cellular modem, control panels can securely transmit alarms and status data to remote teams. This allows operators and maintenance personnel to respond faster, especially at remote or lightly staffed sites, often preventing minor issues from becoming major downtime events. Data acquisition brings the physical process into focus. Analog inputs capture continuously changing signals, such as tank levels or pressure, providing far more insight than simple on-off indicators. This data enables smoother control, earlier detection of abnormal conditions, and better long-term process optimization. Analog outputs further refine control by allowing systems to adjust equipment gradually rather than through constant cycling. When connectivity and data acquisition work together, control panels become tools for insight and improvement, not just automation.